Hi, I'm Emily Nikoo, Executive Vice President of Blonder Tongue Labs. What are the elements of the traditional digital video system? How does the content get from the programmer to the end customer? And how is the system changing over time?
Programming content may originate from a variety of sources: a network of video servers, live cameras, or hard media like DVDs and film.
The playback is schedule-based, and time-shifted content is provided via video on demand, pay-per-view, or DVRs.
The programming is transmitted via a variety of pipes to the cable operator's head end. These pipes include over satellite, over-the-air broadcast, and direct fiber optic networks.
Once at the head end, the programming is prepared for distribution to the home or business, which requires a variety of digital-to-digital conversions.
Encoding compresses the video to reduce the size. Transcoding converts from one format to another to accommodate various playback devices like mobile phones and tablets. Transrating maintains the format but converts it to lower data rates for less storage space or lower bandwidth. Multiplexing puts all the video together, allowing the cable operator to build their desired digital channel lineup. And finally, modulation for final distribution over the cable network.